Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy two-time Moto TV, man. I'm very excited today. Very excited, man. Got some brand new content for y'all, man. Got some performance parts and things done to the Crown Vic. Now today I'm going to go get a tune. Finally, man. Just got my car out the shop yesterday. It did take 2 weeks. I don't know why it took that long. Guess they had me on the back burner, but guess what? Got my car back. Everything looks flawless. Everything looks great. I'm happy. About to go spend a little bit more money to go get this thing tuned. And we should be about done, man, as far as performance. Maybe a couple little trinkets here and there, but nothing too major, man. Hopefully I can bang out about 400 and some horsepower today, if not get mad close to it. So yeah, man, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the engine bay and the few components that we did get installed from the performance shop. So as you guys can see, a couple things look different from the last video. So we're gonna start here with this Gates serpentine belt. It is a performance serpentine belt. It's supposed to have zero slip regardless of any oils or water or anything. So you guys remember the alternator there that we installed? That was part of the performance. But guys, we got the BBK 78mm throttle body. Let me see if I can zoom in on that upside down number for y'all right there. We got a 78mm throttle body. We also got some Summit Racing underdrive pulleys. One for the water pump, one for the harmonic balancer, or the crank pulley is what I like to call it. She's nice and silver down there. Y'all remember the trick flow? That's what we're going to go get tuned with every other component that we have underneath here. Also, I have a trans cooler. I don't know if you guys can see this black trans cooler down here behind those wires, but maybe you can see it right here. Got that trans cooler in there. That's a 1 foot by 1 foot trans cooler. Guys, sorry that it's so blurry. I'm gonna definitely have to mess around with the settings with the camera. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know what's been going on lately, but it's definitely gonna get better, y'all. So y'all rock with me, y'all work with me. Yo, we got those stainless works headers installed and wrapped all the way down there to the bottom. Show y'all that. Wrapped all the way to the bottom, y'all. So y'all can see my old pipe back there. After I come from the tuner today, I'm gonna go tomorrow or Friday and get the rest of the pipe installed. I'm definitely not going all the way to the rear like I told you guys. I'm gonna stop in front of the rear axle and I'm gonna put my mufflers on, and then maybe like some little dump tips at the rear, or maybe not. Just keep it open at the rear right there. And you can see the other stainless works headers on this side here. Wrapped, fully wrapped all the way to the bottom. Professionally wrapped. And guys, one reason why I did get them wrapped is because with these kind of headers, with them being long tubes, I want to keep the heat inside. For number one, keep it away from the engine bay so that I can keep my cold air intake as cool as possible, because these little vents up here, you know, just ain't gonna cut it all the way. So anyway, I want to keep that as cool as possible. But with headers, if you can hold that heat with the headers, it'll cause a little bit more pressure, which will allow the gases to flow out the rear a lot better, a lot fluently, a lot faster, so that new oxygen can come in and then old exhaust can go out a lot faster. So that's exactly why I want to hold the heat in with that wrap. I got this wrap from AutoZone for I think 50 bucks. So yeah, you guys go and pick y'all up a set if y'all got some long tube headers and wrap them puppies, man, because it's definitely worth it. But I believe I went over everything that we got installed. 78mm throttle body, alternator, Summit underdrive pulleys, got 2 of them, trick flow, heads, which is a top end kit along with the stage 1 cam and stainless works long tube headers. And then we're going to go get a tune today. Another thing I'm gonna do after the fact is I'm gonna wrap this in that heat reflective gold wrap. And I bought a kit, a brake duct kit, that I'm gonna try to relocate this front inlet here, so I can relocate it somewhere like in the grill or something, guys. You guys give me some suggestions in the comment. I may have to cut out some metal or something, just make sure I don't cut out too much of the brace of the car. Or I may just cut a hole in this headlight right there, because I do not use my high beams. And make sure I don't get any water, make sure that it's watertight and everything like that, and then run the hose right here in the front. That thing will be dope. I think that'll be dope. It almost look like the snorkel on a Charger. But yeah, man, that's gonna be another DIY project for another day. Guys, also in the next couple videos, I got a huge update that I wanna lay on y'all and let y'all know what's going on with the channel and what we're going to be doing from here on out, guys. It's a huge update and it's a big deal, so y'all make sure y'all sub to the channel. Y'all make sure y'all smash that like button and turn on them notifications so y'all can be notified every time I drop a video. So guys, I'm gonna give y'all a cold starter what the car sound like without the tune. Man, she sounds like a freaking monster, y'all. Y'all was right when y'all said that she's gonna sound like a monster. But I'll let y'all hear it firsthand. Be able to talk over this, so I'm gonna try to yell if I can. Yo, she sounds like a freaking animal. I'm definitely gonna have to run some pipe behind what I already got and attach my mufflers to that, because I believe I'm gonna get a ticket if I run this car like that. No, it won't harm it. No, there's no such thing as back pressure. Actually, my exhaust flows a lot freer with it like that. But I'm definitely going to get my mufflers installed, because I want some kind of distinctive sound instead of like a straight pipe sound. But yeah, man, everything is running smooth. As you guys can see, she camming out. She ain't even got the low idle yet, yo. Like, it literally sounds like that the car is about to cut off when the idle, yo. It sounds dope. Definitely let you guys hear that when we get to the tuner. He may actually put it on the rollers today, guys, to see what kind of numbers that the car is making thus far. One issue that he said that I may run into, and you guys might want to be aware of this when you're doing any kind of performance or putting a tune on your vehicle, is that he said that my gas pump needs to be strong enough. I can't be dropping voltage with the gas pump or anything like that, because that'll defeat the purpose of the tune, which makes a lot of sense. So he said that he want to make sure that I got a strong enough gas pump. If I don't, then I'll just get him to install one, and then he'll have to have the car for like another extra day. So hopefully he can get all this stuff done today. Hopefully my gas pump is strong. I don't believe I got any issues with it, but you never know. So I hit the throttle for you guys one time, wake it up one time. Yo, the throttle response is there. Everything is there. I can feel a slight difference in power even without the tune. I'm still running on 87 pump gas. I'm going to go get a 93 SCT tune that everything can work in harmony together. Because right now I can tell that my computer is just tripping out because it don't know what to do. It's trying to read stock stuff and nothing on it is no longer stock. So we about to see what kind of output that this short block can give me. Hopefully, like I said, I'm close to 400 and some horsepower. Man, if that, I'm gonna be blown away, guys. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm on the way right now. Peace. he even mess around with it. God almighty, man. Hey guys, we ready, yo. We are ready. Hey, drop them comments below if y'all got any questions about anything that I've done to the car. This thing is about to be an animal. So drop your comments. I also want to get a whole nother Vic or a whole nother car, period. I think I want to get a Mustang, man, and do some of the same similar work to it. I want to have nothing but a straight NA, like street killer. No intercooler, no supercharger, no turbocharger, no procharger, no nothing. Just a straight beast. So they gonna get me right, y'all. It might take a couple days, so this is gonna be part one of this video. I'll let y'all guys know towards the end of this video what's going on. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, so verdict, we just ran the car. We just took it down the road, put it on the highway, mashed it. It's definitely faster than what it was stock with no tune on it. So basically what's going on now is that he has the SCT tuner here, and he's gonna write up a base file for me right now because he has so many vehicles that he has to attend to. So he'll probably be able to get me in sometime next week. So he got all of these nice Mustangs, man. Look at that Cobra there. See, this is the reason why, GT500, baby. This is why I wanna get something like this, man, along with something like that I got. So yeah, man, long story short, he's gonna write up a base file for me. I'm basically gonna let him know everything that I got done to the car. I'm gonna make a list, send it to the email tonight. He's gonna write up a base file, and he's gonna put the program on the car tomorrow. So at least it'll run a lot better than it's running now. It's basically running like trash because it has no tune. And the air to fuel mix ratio is all out of whack. Everything is just out of whack with how the car is trying to perform with everything in unison. So he's gonna write up a base file, man. I'm already paying for the tuner, so we're gonna upload that tuner tomorrow, and then he's gonna get the full diagnostics and actually put it on the dyno. We're gonna have dyno numbers and everything, guys, the whole shebang, so you guys can actually know what this car be putting out. He did say that I'm gonna lose a lot of horsepower with the rims on it, which I know that, you know, it's weight on the car. If I did have like some kind of factories or some Mustang wheels or something, I'd definitely be pulling a lot more power. But you guys will get the gist of what that kit can do pulling 28s once he put it up on the rollers. So that's basically where we're at right now, and I'm pretty much satisfied. Even like when I smacked it at one time, even though everything, I mean, even though the cars ran like trash, man, it was still faster than it was stock. So I'm not mad at all, man. I feel like that it was a good purchase of everything that I got done. We should be looking close to 400 horsepower. So yeah, guys, this is part one. Stay tuned for part two very soon. I'm definitely gonna upload a couple of more videos to let you guys know a lot more other stuff that I got done to the car as far as system and everything else that I got, man. You know, that's a little secret right now. But yeah, man, two-time Moto TV out. Y'all stay tuned. Subscribe, smash that like button, baby. Till next time, peace.